The Q&A is another enterprise feature. It's not automatically on, it has to be enabled, and it serves a slightly different function than chat. Q&A allows all participants to ask questions, so when it's turned on, both the host and all others in the call have the opportunity to drop a question. Once it's open, at the bottom right, there will be the plus Ask a Question button. The difference between Q&A and the chat are that you can only orally answer these questions. So unlike chat, where this question might be answered by a colleague or a classmate in writing, this is only answerable verbally. On the host screen, there are a couple of options. You can hide the question. When you do that, it's going to go dark and the student will get a message that says that the question has been hidden. You can also indicate when you've answered a question, and then it goes into a different category for filtering. Participants all also have the opportunity to upvote questions that they like. You can then filter the questions using one of these two menus. You can load the most popular questions, the oldest or the newest, or you can filter the questions by the ones that are unanswered, the hidden ones, or the ones that have been answered. One big management thing to consider is using either the chat or the Q&A, but it's very difficult to go between the two while you're still presenting material. One of the nice things about these features is that you can always toggle them on and off, and so you can use them strategically in your class. You can decide to allow questions, but then go into your moderator controls and disable the chat, so that now you know you can just keep the Q&A up and only be addressing the question verbally.